students, I am Vettichetti from the T and Vetti NEET Chemistry. In this channel now I am uploading the CBSE haloalkane saline organic. The continuation is from the preparation of RX, that is alkyl halide. Today let us continue the topic is from alkene. So preparation of alkyl halide from alkene. Okay, now let us see here what are the things the reagent is. First point is HCl, HBr, HI. These are the reagent, that is called halogen acids. And what is the point we are going to see is called the Marconic rule. What is Marconic rule is negative part of the compound attached with the poorest carbon. The rule is already known to you, as a tips only I gave. Okay, this is including all the three halogen acids. Now examples are available. Now it is written as with the 3 carbon. We know what is it called as a propene. We know it. And this is called as a 4 carbon with butene, where position of the double bond is important, 1 butene. Of course, this is also 1 butene only. So different examples with that I am teaching. In the book general equation is that. Individual example is more convenient, so I have selected the individual examples. Now propane with the HBr, HCl, HI. Any one of them you can take it. I have taken the HBr. What is the point? It is we have to follow the Marconic rule. Whenever you are writing the product, you think about what we want. We want is alkyl halide. So introduced here. One side halogen, another side hydrogen. Here it is plus and minus. It follows the electrophilic addition reaction. What is the negative part? Br minus. Come and see the double bond here, which is having poorest is this carbon with 1 hydrogen. So this is poorest. Poorest means across the double bond only you have to cover. This carbon with 1 hydrogen, this carbon with 2 hydrogen. So this is poorest. So negative part of your Br have coming here and attached here. So Br here means automatically H and complete the product. While you are writing, just to put your finger and write like this. CH, single bond CH2 with the hydrogen, you can write CH3 and Br, you write. Right? Whenever you are writing, keep this position easy for you to follow. Check the valency of carbon. Yes, now coming to the naming of the compound is position is 2. So it is called as a 2-bromopropane. Okay. This is enough. And what is it? The next compound also you are getting. What is the next compound is think in opposite direction. You put it the next one. But it is minimum. Let me write that is also. Now here I am CH3, CH, and here what is it called? CH2. Think in opposite. This is H's you are putting here. So it's become here, Br here. So now this is also forming. That is called what is it? 1-bromo. 1-bromo. Bromopropane, but it is very minor. How much minor means? It can be 1% or it cannot be. So this is only the major product. Suppose only this is given, you can take it as a consideration. So this is regarding with the carbon number 3 of course. Now let us go on write the same thing with the carbon number 4. This place is I okay, so name only I am cleaning of course. Now let me go for this carbon 4. The same rule. Of course, I want to give the HCl also eligible. Cl is on the negative part. Attached on the carbon which is lesser. Here it is poor. So Cl is here. H. Completed. Yes. CH3, CH2, CH and here it is CH3 as I told like. This is the major. What is minor is vice versa. That is enough. Next I am coming to the next point and here new knowledge I want to introduce. What is this is called as a peroxide effect. What is the peroxide effect is when HBr, this is exclusively only for HBr. Remaining case, peroxide means only HBr. If it is no peroxide, you can take any one. So this is called peroxide effect. And here it follows the anti-Marconic rule. This is the equation is very important. Yes. Now let us see what is happening here is because of peroxide. Anti-Marconic. What is anti-Marconic? Pr with the Br. Negative part with the richest. Who is richest here? So you put it richest here and hydrogen. Complete the product now. CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, Br. Addition always you put like this. This is better. So what product you are getting? 1-bromo. So name is called as a 1-bromo. 1-bromobutane. So this is the major product. Okay, 99%. So you need not worry about the minor product. So this is the peroxide effect. Very important. Next, collectively this part is over. This everything is, it follows the mechanism is, this is called, so what is it called? Electrophilic addition mechanism. Okay, mechanism also important. Now I am going to the next heading. What is the heading is preparation of alkyl halide from alkene. Here it is alkene means there should be a double bond. What is this indicated with the halogen? What are the meaning of halogen is chlorine, bromine, iodine, anything can be taken. In the book, the example is given with the bromine. The solvent is carbon tetrachloride. Bromine is a dissolving carbon tetrachloride as the solvent. That is the reagent is taken. Again, one more text is given. It is here. This heading is created by me and it is given pointed. It is tested for unsaturation. The knowledge is very important. What is the meaning of tested for unsaturation? Visualization I have given. One test tube, let it having any hydrocarbon which is unsaturated. That means what? Which is containing the double bond. To that, if you are adding the bromine with CCl4, that is, this reagent you are adding means the bromine color is decolorized. If this chemical decolorizes the bromine color, that is reddish brown color is decolorized means this compound is understood which is having the unsaturation, either double bond or triple bond. This is called test for unsaturation. So the process is explained. Let us see what is the reaction. Simple, the double bond is here. I have given the ethylene with the bromine, carbon tetrachloride. Simple addition. The break the bond on both sides of symmetrical alkene. Both sides same number of carbon is there. So here no working of Marconic or anti-Marconic, nothing is there. Simply you add a break the pi bond on both sides, you are adding Br and you are getting the dibromide. So what is the special is given as the vicinal dibromide. What is the meaning of vicinal? The halogen atom attached on the adjacent carbon atom, that is called as a vicinal. With that we have completed the one part of the preparation. What is it? For A, B, C, D, preparation of alkyl halide with hydrocarbon we have completed. Next I am going to come with the related question example which is important for NEET and JEE. We will discuss in the continuation of the topic. Okay children, now let us see here. This topic is very important. It is given in your NCERT book example 10.4. Okay, write the products. Here this why I am insisting is it is very important based on you are having the NEET question as well as the your JEE questions will be there. This is the basic, so you should know. But it seems to be very simple only. You can expect in the board exams also. So this is the reagents is given. So HBr. Here nothing else, there is no peroxide, so it follows the Marconic rule, only Marconic. What is the Marconic rule? Your negative part attached with the carbon with a porous. So here it is plus and here it is minus. It follows the electrophilic addition reaction. It is the mechanism. So your Br4 here, this carbon, this is nothing but a carbon double bond carbon, so which is having porous. So you break the bond and this is the porous, you give the Br and H. Write the product. Whenever you are writing, put your finger on this one, whatever you are writing. So then you follow it. That is, here it is. Here C single bond C and here it is H. One hydrogen is going on. So it's become, I can write as a CH3 or you can write like this also. Okay. And here what is happening is one hydrogen is here, another Br. So this is the product. Okay. Next we are moving to I am coming to the next equation. Okay, same thing already in the teaching itself, the same equation is given. Anyhow, it is given in the exercise, so I am discussing no peroxide, so it follows. It keep it just a glance. No peroxide, so it follows the Marconic rule. What is Marconic rule? Negative part attached with the polar. It is indicate. It is these things should be in your mind. Polar. So who is polar here? You have to compare only these two carbon. Don't worry about other carbon. So here. This is the polar. So here you put the Cl and H. Completed. As I told, put your finger and write. So that is the time will be consumed. Yes, that's all children. So now this is the product. Okay. You are coming for naming mean. That is here it is very simple. 2-chlorobutane. That you have to follow it. That is enough. With that I am now coming to this question. This is the here. we have done unsaturation bouquet, HBr. The important point is here the peroxide. So what is peroxide is it follows the anti-Marconi. Anti-Marconi. So what is the anti-Marconic is your Br is attached with the not richest. So Br here everything is poor. Br with poor means here Br with rich. Rich. Come here, this one hydrogen here. So it is poor, it is rich. So Br with the anti, so rich. So here H. So here you are writing Br, here you are writing H. So this is your anti-Marconic peroxide. Let us complete the product. Whenever you are writing, same thing as I written. Yes, now it is CH2. Here you put it. Here it is CH2 and CH2Br. Keep it in the mind always. Anti-Marconic means it will be. I am giving as a trick. It will be at the terminal. With that, I am completing this topic. Is very important regarding the entrance question. Important point: peroxide means anti-Marconic. No peroxide means Marconic. Anti-Marconic exclusively only for HBr only. Others anti-Marconic is not at all coming. It follows electrophilic addition reaction. With that, I am stopping today's video. Children, prepare well. Thank you, children.